Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, my name is Faith, and on this channel I post content about nursing, lifestyle, and natural hair videos. And if you are interested in any of that content, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. But also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join my channel. And also don't forget to hit that post notification button so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. But today I am doing a vlog. That's why you guys see me in the car today. But today is a special type of vlog that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing a maintenance birthday vlog. Today is June 11th and my birthday is June 15th. So your girl is a Gemini, okay, period. But yeah, so I'm actually just, like I said, leaving my doctor's appointment, and now I'm getting ready to be on my way to go get my first appointment out the way, which is my waxing. Y'all, when I tell y'all waxing, it's like a love-hate. Like, I love the results, but the pain is like, I just don't like the pain. But like, once you do get the waxings often, it's not as bad. But I'm gonna stop rambling so I'm not late to my appointment, because right now it is 9:49 and my appointment is at 10:30, so I kind of need to hurry up. So let's go, y'all. So I just got done getting my Brazilian wax, and when I tell y'all, I am so happy. I feel so much better. So I might go home, get something to eat, and I might do a little editing before I have my massage. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get home. And my girl Mia, who does my waxing, she always gets me nice. She does my waxings very well. So if you are in Michigan, I would definitely recommend going to her for your waxing. And she also does like facials and everything too. Alright y'all, so I am back from my massage. I just want to say that I feel so much more rejuvenated. I haven't got a massage in a while, so this one was very nice and it was needed, especially from my nursing year, my first nursing year as a nursing student. And you know, for my birthday, this was a nice beginning treat, because today is Saturday and my birthday is in 4 more days. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, so today is June 14th. It is currently 10:29 and I'm actually in the parking lot for my hair appointment. My hair appointment starts at 10:30, so I wanted to hurry up and do this quick like little intro before I walk in. So let's go, y'all. I can't wait to get my hair done. As y'all can see, all my red hair is cut off and now I am just all black. So I'm gonna let you guys come with me to my hair appointment. So the next time y'all see me, I will be looking completely different. Hey y'all, so I'm at my appointment now. My personal nail with Korea. She about to do my wig installation. y'all, so I am leaving my hair appointment right now. So I'm back home right now. It is like 8:30, I believe, and I already got my hair done and I got my lashes done, as you can see. But yeah, I love my hair and my lashes. And now I'm actually getting ready to flexi ride my hair because my curls fell, and I had the stylist curl my hair and we combed them out so I can have like a body wave look, but now my curls are falling, so I'm just getting ready to use the blue flexi rods to set my hair for the night. So today is actually the day of my birthday, June 15th, and I recently went to the nail salon. I went at like 10 o'clock, that's when they open, and this is what my nails look like. I didn't want to get something too extra because I do work, and I work like 5 days a week, and I don't got time for them to be telling me I gotta get my nails shorter and everything. So like I said, I like this. It's classy and it's cute. Period. And I actually wanted to try the style out anyway, where it's like the white tip and it's like a little on the sides. But yeah, I got that, and I actually got my toes white. I'm going to show you guys what my feet look like real quick. Yeah, but I really like my toes and my feet. They're definitely cute. But this is all for today's video. I enjoy doing my weekly vlog to get ready for my birthday, and I would definitely probably do one of these or two of these before I actually start school in September. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join my channel, and also make sure to hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every single time I post a video. And if I do anything like extra, like goes to me for my birthday, I'm going to do a separate vlog of that. So with that being said, I'm going to close out today's video. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to have it on the screen as well as in my description box down below. But I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope that you guys have a great day or night depending on when you watch this video. But I am out. Hey y'all, so I know that I ended the video, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick behind the scenes of my birthday photo shoot pictures. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen these pictures.